Okay guys, me and my fluffy hair this morning. Stay tuned to watch the video because I'm going to give you an update on how the horses and the sheep are dealing with the hay. I don't think the sheep have ever had a big bale of hay before. So I know they're going to make a huge mess, but they'll deal with it, bed on it, whatever. We've never fed this type of hay before to them, or this type of bale. So I'm going to go out there after the last video and show you what they've done or not done to that big bale. I'm a little bit scared, so stay tuned. Hi folks, it's Wendy. We are doing chores tonight. If you're watching this channel because you are a subscriber to Fingersticks Gallery, I'm also going to be titling a lot of these videos Farm Life Vlog number whatever. Because I don't want to start another channel. But a couple dilemmas that we have right now is that it's been cold and the solar lights, we have two of them on the building. Solar lights are not working. And I bought a brand new solar light to put inside my shed because when I feed at night, I can't freaking see anything. So without my headlight on. So now that we haven't had any sun, the solar lights aren't working great. So anyway, we just loaded the feeder. We had to take the feeder out of the lower pasture, put it in the upper sheep pasture with the horses because we can't let the sheep in the lower pasture yet because we don't have enough panels to fence the whole thing. Taking donations, we need about $3 grand to do the lower pasture. Anyway, so we had to move the round bale feeder to the upper pasture right behind the bobcat there. And we just loaded a 900-pound grass mix to the horses. And there's my husband. Probably, he may have Grody in there, our little dog, Otis. Where's Odie? Oh, Odie's hanging behind. There's a little shelf on the back of the bobcat, and Otis, our little dog, he likes to ride in the back of it. He reminds me of like a dog riding on the dash of a van. So I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna load this big bale. All right, so that's over. Now I have to run down. Hold on. Yeah, folks, sometimes it takes red beer to get things done in the afternoons. Okay, so while he's doing that, I gotta run and grab. Here's our small bales. We have a little more than a ton of hay down here in small bales in case we have to put a sheep. Here's the pen that we feed the sheep in. I guess they're not that hungry, little pigs. And then we have this separate pen that's covered here. This whole pen, this has a gate here. Here's the chute. They have this whole little pen, water buckets, in case we have a sick or injured or a pair that needs to mother up a little bit or bond or some weird thing that happens. We have the sick pen. So we have a pile of hay there just in case. So I just grabbed a pallet and Going down to open the lower gate. Here comes the hay. That's a beautiful sight. A way to a farm girl's heart is talk hay to them. Don't talk dirty, talk hay. All right. And then, so I want to put the pallet. I'm kind of a stickler. Magpie poop. Kind of a stickler to make sure that my hay is always dry, always clean. Running around trying to find a good spot for the camera so you can actually, hold on, see what we are doing.
Pee.
You're on camera.
Did your camera tell me? I gotta pee. I'm sorry. I know. I tried to make it nice.
Intermission, folks.
Oh!
Okay, I'm just now walking out to the sheep, and it's snowing. It's beautiful, but I'm not really ready for the snow. And the horses back there, they've been eating out of big bales for a long time, so they're good. Poor sheep. There's Chester, beautiful Buttercup, and Lips. Lips is the freaking best ewe we have. So friendly. And then Pepper, Salt, Coco, Dwayne. Oh, where's the twins? Oh, and there's Maddie over there. Where's the twins? Probably nose first in the hay, to be honest. Hi, guys. They're insulated. Look at that. That's why people like to wear wool and alpaca fiber. It's nice. Oh, do I hear the twins? Oh, well, hi, guys. You knocked your board over, though. Why'd you do that for? Hi. Are we going to have to fix that? Yeah. Hi, Ruckus. You guys, yeah, I don't know how they keep doing this. I tied this board up and put it on the back I just laid it across the back and I tied it. And they screw with things. They nibble on things, paw on things. I was trying to keep the snow out of here. Well, hi, Tinker. Hi, Ruck. How you doing, boy? Yeah, he's my pet. He's my boy. Okay. Oh, it's not terrible. Have they even been down here? Oh, yeah, they've been down here. No, I stand corrected. They have not been down here yet. Ha, ha, ha. Okay, well. Show-offs. Odie thinks he's tough. Oh, come on, kids. Come on, sheep. Yes, I can call the sheep. No matter where they're at in the pasture, I just say, come on, sheep, and they freaking come running. Which is really nice because if we do any sorting or health checks or vaccinations... Hi, Ruckus. Hi, sweet pea. How you doing? Come on, sheep. I've grain trained them. So if I say, come on, sheep, usually they get a little bit of grain. Not any more than just a couple bites per sheep. But sometimes he gets more because he's spoiled. Come on, sheep. And I, once again, I think I put this on a previous vlog, winter wear and farm attire is very important. Especially if you have boots with broken laces, they work great for walking around in the snow and the poo. Lie. They're terrible. Come on, sheep. Look it. Little brats. Come on. Hi, Dwayne. Come on, buddy. Come on, Stinky. That's good looking hay when you get into it. Look at that. This is just a grass. I thought this was our grass alfalfa bale, but I think this one's just regular grass. We are going to let them free feed on this. And we supplement with a little bit more. Oh, watch out, buddy. With a little bit more alfalfa bale. Hi, honey. You are all sorts of banged up. And I'm going to regret petting you because you stink. Hi, buddy. Yeah, stinky dude. And, oh, what? Are we not done with lovin's? Huh? Are we not done yet? And then we have our other ram, Chester. He's not as friendly, but he has little skurs. He's got little teeny tiny little horns that never really amounted to anything. So they're kind of useless. But Dwayne here looks like he's been giving those skurs a workout. I looked at Chester yesterday and it looked like one of them was cracked a little bit. So, you silly boys. Hi, handsome. This side of his horn right here is right up against his bone. So I talked with the vet and she said that she's going to give it a go and probably sedate him a little bit and then just shave off the inside of that horn. He's a beautiful ram. I do not want to have to cut his horns back, but if we have to, I absolutely will. So when we have a clear day, or I don't know, I might be able to get her up here. She's going to see what we can do about making him more comfortable. Yeah. I know it bugs him, so if it wasn't bugging him, I wouldn't do anything, but I can tell it's bugging him a little bit, so. All right, now that they know where the hay is, hi, Lips. We sold one of her babies to a good friend of ours, Jessica, and her little kids and husband, and we actually sold another baby, oh, and a ewe. We actually sold three sheep to them. And man, those little girls are so flippin' happy with those little sheep. And Lips's babies, who are the twins that I'm going to be keeping, they are the most friendly. All three of her babies. Well, they're triplets, but we kept two, so I just call them the twins for make it easy. So I'm going to put this back up, and then the covey of quail just flew in and freaking out the alpaca a little bit. So yeah, looks like everything else is great. And I'm going to get this set up because it's freaking cold. And Odie just tried to chase the quail. He's not so sure about this whole snow thing yet. He's still a puppy, so. Okie dokie, folks. Well, that's the end of this farm vlog because I'm getting cold and I have to finish this board that they knocked down. And have a fantastic day. Maybe my hair's not sticking up so much. I don't know. Anyway, have a great day, folks. Enjoy the snow if you're getting it. Enjoy the rain if you're getting that too, and the sun. Until next time.